Mastering MySQL backup and restore strategies for 2024 data is the lifeblood of any organization, and ensuring its safety is a top priority. As businesses rely more on MySQL databases, they must back them up. MySQL backup and restore strategies have changed a lot. In 2024, new challenges and advances will arise in database management, cloud integration, and security. Importance of MySQL backup and restore. The significance of robust backup and restore strategies cannot be overstated. Without proper backups, businesses risk losing vital data, hardware failures, cyber attacks, accidental deletions, and natural disasters can cause this. In 2024, data integrity is more important than ever. Regulatory requirements, like GDPR, are stricter. Types of MySQL backups. Logical backup involves exporting the database into SQL statements using tools like MySQLdump. It is useful for small databases. It provides editable, human-readable backups. Physical backup. It involves copying database files .ibd, .frm, .mighty from the file system. This type of backup is faster and more suitable for larger databases. Full backup. It captures the entire database. It ensures a complete snapshot of the data at a specific time. Full backups offer the best data security, but they can be slow and use a lot of storage. MySQL backup tools and methods for 2024. MySQLdump, a widely used MySQL utility for creating logical backups. It is simple to use and provides SQL-based dumps of the database, making it easy to restore. MySQL Enterprise Backup, MEB, an Oracle tool for physical backups. It supports hot backups, compression, and encryption. It is for large databases. Best practices for MySQL backup strategies. Automation. Automated backups reduce the risk of human error. Use scripts and tools to schedule regular backups. Ensure they run without manual intervention. Backup encryption. Must to encrypt backup files. It protects sensitive data from unauthorized access. This is vital when storing backups in the cloud. Cloud-based MySQL backup solutions. Oz RDS Backup. Amazon RDS backs up MySQL databases in the cloud. It has automated backups and manual snapshots. It also allows point-in-time recovery, making restores more flexible. Azure Database for MySQL. Azure offers automated backups for its hosted databases. They include retention periods, encryption, and point-in-time restores. Conclusion. In conclusion, it's critical to master MySQL backup and restore strategies. They ensure your business's data is reliable and resilient. As MySQL evolves, so do the tools for managing database backups and restores. In 2024, businesses must excel in data protection. They must know backups. They should use advanced tools, like Percona XtraBackup and cloud solutions.